4Runner homies, how many of y'all are dealing with this? This nastiness, where the threads just are so chewed up, and then you're having to repair them. There's some thread repair in there, which I'm gonna pull out in 2 seconds. How many of y'all are dealing with that shit? I am. I found a way, I think based off reading the forums and such, how to fix this. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so saw from the slow, I was using a cold punch, and it punched, first I drilled it out a little bit, punched those threads right the freak out of there, the nut backer on there. You can see it on this one still. The threads are still there. Look at this one. I can't get it in there. Gone. So the cold punch essentially just launched that, whatever it is, back in there. So now I'm gonna do that to this one, and then I'm gonna clean this up, de-rustify it. Just kidding, I'm not gonna de-rustify anything. And then basically set that one up to be just like this. Let's keep going. Team. So there you have it. Ooh, look at all that rust. Got the rivet nuts under there, and we're bolted in. I put in some never sees and some basically stuff that'll prevent the threads from locking in there. We'll see what happens. Hopefully this will last us at least another 50K. We'll see. Sweet.